Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a very vintage, large Homelite chainsaw. This is a zip model. This chainsaw has got a 36-inch 404 bar and chain. That's a sprocket nose, skip tooth chain. And we'll take a close-up look. This is just one of their big vintage saws made in the 60s. Got a fully adjustable Tilson carburetor here, a manual oil pump. It's got a throttle lock right here. It's got a large falling spike. And this saw was made before safety features were an issue, and you can see that this is not for the timid. Got that bar and chain exposed right there. Just a very large vintage running chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with this beast.